Welcome to My Bharat, the national youth-centric platform dedicated to empowering the youth of our nation. My Bharat, an initiative of the Department of Youth Affairs, Government of India, is your gateway to access unlimited opportunities and unlock your true potential. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to register on the My Bharat portal as a youth. Visit mybharat.gov.in, click the Get Started button on the home page and select Youth. Now click on the Register button. Enter your 10-digit mobile number or email ID. Tick the Terms of Use checkbox and click on Sign In to receive the OTP. Enter the OTP received and click on Sign In once again. Next, fill in your basic details like name, gender, state, district, etc. and click Submit. We are almost there. Now enter your email address and select Youth Type. If you don't belong to the youth types mentioned, select Others. Add details of your highest qualification and click on Submit. As soon as you register, you will be taken to your My Bharat public profile page. In the About section, add a brief description of yourself by clicking on the Edit icon. After adding your description, click the green tick icon to save the changes. To make your My Bharat profile public, slide this green slider. Your My Bharat profile is now public. Click on the Basic Info tab to fill in the remaining sections so that your profile is complete. You can download your registration certificate either as an image or a PDF. Please note that you can change the language of the My Bharat portal by clicking on the globe icon and selecting the language of your choice. Thank you for joining the My Bharat movement. Together, let's create a brighter future for India. Stay connected with us via social media for exciting updates, events, and opportunities that can shape your future.